We'll wait for a while, sir.
Okay.
Seems to be some problem. Sir, our students will join in a while. Actually, they had an exam today, and it has just finished now. So
No worries, no worries at all.
it's just few moments.
How has COVID impacted you?
Sir, it hasn't been that bad in our city, but it's been quite bad in other places in India.
Yeah.
It's only a matter of time, sir. As I understand, it's only a matter of time before it gets to everyone.
But we've been working at home now. The university has been shut for 7 months.
Yes, sir.
So it's strange.
But sir, finally, I think some good will come out of this. I have been teaching online for last 6 months, and I have discovered so many new methods of teaching that I was not previously exploring. I had my chalk and board. I was happy teaching on my chalk and board. Now, as I have had to move to the computer, I am working on my animations, and I'm working on different digital methods of teaching that are available. I'm working on my Moodle. I'm working on all these things. So there is some positive. I see some positive there as well. We are evolving because of this COVID pandemic. We are learning something out of this as well.
I think so.
The process of moving from chalk and board to online teaching was going very slowly. Uh, at least in our place, it was going quite slowly. But suddenly, because of this, we had to move. In one day, we had to move from chalk and board to online teaching, and we had to learn very, very quickly. It was a very fast process, and it was.
Maybe you could give my talk for me, because that's what I'm going to say now.
No, sir. I'd really like to hear from you, sir.
I can send you my slides.
No, sir. I would really like to hear from you, sir. It will be really good to hear from you. But
How long
that
have you
is,
been at the university?
sir, I've been here in this institute for last 5 years, and I've been teaching for last 10 years.
Did we meet when I visited?
Beg your pardon, sir?
Did we meet?
Uh, I don't think, sir. I don't
No,
think so.
I didn't think we had, but I thought I met so many people in 3 days that.
Yes, I was not in the institute at that time, sir. When you had come, when you had visited our institute, I was on leave. I was on vacation. I was visiting my parents, so we couldn't meet, sir. Shall we start, sir?
Yes, I can start.
Okay. Dear participants, we have Professor Andrew Ware with us today, and he is a part of our ITMBU family. He's an adjunct professor of this institute, and he is a professor of in computing, and he is engaged in teaching and research as well. He is currently supervising 8 PhD students and leading a number of initiatives in local companies. Beyond the university, Professor Ware is currently working as external examiner in computing for Staffordshire University, with particular responsibility for helping to oversee the development of new provisions in Ghana. In terms of international work, Professor Ware is currently the USW representative on 2 European-funded intensive programs and involved with projects in Singapore, Norway, and Canada. Andrew, sir, has supervised nearly 40 PhD students